COVID? What COVID? After 9 weeks of a small business lockdown, Manhattan Beach is back in business.
Well, I'm really happy the city did that for us, because we were all going to have to be on the verge of shutting down with no income, or 10% of our income, 20% of our income. It just wasn't sustainable at all.
A Memorial Day weekend is one of those huge kickoffs to summer, and from a revenue standpoint for all retail stores, it's just such a huge weekend. We're going to lose businesses downtown. We still may lose businesses downtown, but we needed a fair playing field. Target's open, Costco's open, grocery stores are open. Many of us carry those same type of goods that you can buy in those stores. And yet small businesses were forced to close, and it was a really unfair playing field.
While many stores are open again, not all are, and some prefer curbside or pickup delivery only.
Feels so good to have the door open and the sea breeze coming in. Yeah. Extremely hard, extremely tough, but we got through it, and I think we're stronger from it. Definitely stronger.
How many weeks could you have gone till?
I mean, I'm behind on everything, paying bills and all that, so we'll see. I don't know how. But then even if you did have to close, how do you get rid of all your merchandise if you can't let people in to look at it?
It's been heartbreaking because we know everybody, we know the community, we love everybody. It's a small town, everybody knows everybody. We have no problem abiding by the law and being completely safe, and I feel like everybody would, so we trust everybody to do the right thing.
And people are wearing masks?
Absolutely. We have to wear a mask. It's required by law. We have no problem complying with that. We have been. All of our clients have been.
We're posting every day on Instagram, which really helped a lot.
We have a sign at the door. We are obviously 6 feet from each other. Our clients are 6 feet from us. We don't touch anything.
Everybody's being greeted at the door. We're giving them hand sanitizer or gloves. We're requesting that everybody wear a mask when they're in the store. They're keeping their distance, and they are so thrilled to be inside the store and shopping again.
Are you concerned at all about getting COVID from people coming in?
Of course, we know that it's still out there, but Manhattan Beach has had such low levels. We are not tracking the way LA County does in any way. So we're taking every safety precaution we know to take to ensure that first my staff and then our customers and the public in general are safe when they come into our business.
I feel great, and it's a beautiful day. It's just in time for Memorial Weekend, so we're hoping for a busy weekend. So